title of the vlog. Off to Marseille. Yes, we are on our way to the old port in Marseille and gonna explore the town for the day. It is day 4? Wait, 3. Day 3 of the holiday, and I'm not quite sure we can peak yesterday, but we are still gonna have a good time. So yeah, excited. There's an easy way to open up this door. Oh gosh. Okay, after our initial struggle getting in, we're finally in to the Airbnb. Okay. Let me zoom out a bit. Cute. Hello guys. Someone keeps saying I love you so much behind me. I'm just trying to ignore it. So Jan is just taking a little nap because she's feeling quite tired today, and I've gone exploring. We have a walking tour at 4 p.m. so I'm gonna see if I can maybe chill in a cafe or restaurant somewhere until then, so because we haven't had lunch, so yeah, that should be good. Just grab myself a bagel before the walking tour.
Also because of that has a name, it's called Maison Diamante. The Maison Diamante means the diamond house, not because it contains diamonds. And this one here is the only example in France with this kind of architectural style. That's the reason why the Nazis decided to don't destroy this house, because it's not unique.
How are we feeling, Jan?
Ooh, hot.
Yeah?
Bloated.
Yes.
But enjoying it.
It is hot, hot, hot. We are in Le Panier
The basket.
Quartier? Yes, the old quarter. The basket quarter. If you translate it literally.
That's me.
And Jan is the view, yes. I love olives. What do the French say when they cheers? I could just think of salud in Spanish.
Yeah. I have no idea.
Nice.
Should I take this black one? You don't know.
It was fine actually. That guy blatantly saw me on Bumble. What do you mean? The waiter.
Oh, right.
I was like, I was so happy he came up. I was so well, I don't care.
We're never going to see him again.
I don't recognise him if I fell over.
Oh, it's someone I
Did he
saw
come up on
before.
yours? Oh my god, we're getting the same people.
I think I liked it.
He looks really young.
Oh, good.
French men are actually pretty cute.
But I feel like they need to be like really hot though.
What they need to be.
Yes.
But he is quite cute.
Pictures.
On pictures, I think he looks alright.
We had such a random night last night.
Yeah, the most random. Just having breakfast this morning before we head to Aix-en-Provence. Feeling very dead today, hence the